This is Kauthar from Education Embassy. We're going to see how can you say you're welcome in different ways. If you want to keep it formal, you can say you're most welcome, my pleasure, happy to help, glad to be of any assistance, certainly, don't mention it, not at all. If you want to keep it cool, you can say sure, sure thing, anytime, of course, you got it. Also, you can say you bet, no sweat. Okay, that was 1 minute English. Thank you so much.